This video is of Krishan Rock when she was allegedly arrested in Arizona. On this particular night, she beat up Blueface really bad. She was going off like the Taliban. She just started punching everybody. And the security guard stated that Blueface went in the bathroom to wipe his face because he had so much blood coming from his face. Then Krishan decides to beat up everybody in the club. She was just fighting anyone. And none of those people had done anything to her. And security said Blueface hadn't done anything to her. And then she went outside and she just started punching people, walking up to people and punching them, allegedly. So the security got the police on her. The police had to rush her to the ground. She was being rebellious, even with the police. Then she finally decided to give in. And her breasts began to hang outside her shirt. And she asked the police, can they have her friend put her breast back in her shirt? So her friend agreed to do that. And then they picked Krishan up and took her over to the police vehicle. And she was read her rights, and come to find out, while she is arrested in Arizona 2022, she has a warrant in Maryland as well. Whew, Krishan, you be doing the thing that we don't understand. It's almost like she's not a female. It's like she has no emotional attachment to being a female. And not saying that all men are violent or anything, but the way she carries on is very scary. It's like a person that has a bunch of demons, and I don't understand it. She has so many warrants, and now she's locked up in LA. And from what I've been told, when she leaves there, she has to go over to Oklahoma. Krishan, I'm praying for you. We're praying for you in that baby. And I won't say that I feel sorry for her. I was feeling sorry for her, but what I come to realize, even before Blueface, Krishan was like a menace, just like Blueface is a menace to society. I don't understand why she has such a bad temper and she just decides to go around beating up people for no reason, people she don't even know. It doesn't make any sense. I'm telling you guys, it's almost like a demon that pretends to love God and talk about God on all her lives. That's just my opinion. That's what I have noticed. And she be telling people what God gonna do to them and all that. God don't just work in her favor. God loves everyone, Krishan. And she just been assaulting people. She has a assault lawsuit with the actress from BMF TV show. Krishan, you got to get your anger under control. You need to really talk to somebody that know God, because apparently whoever been praying with you, they don't know God, because the way you carry on, it's like you picking up more and more demons. Well, she has been arrested in LA, and this is a couple footage from when she was arrested in Arizona after she beat up so many people for no reason, even beat up Blueface for no reason. She became a fugitive then from that situation. I just don't know what to say, because I don't know females like this. This reminds me of a Lifetime movie, even a Tubi movie. It's just so crazy. But yes, she got arrested in LA this week. She went to Blueface hearing. She has no bond. And when she finished there, she got to go to Arizona. She's out in general population. She's wearing the orange suit, I guess. It's sad. We're praying for you, Krishan. God bless. You take care now.